What's up, guys? My name is Kelvin from World of Friends. Today I'm at Pier 17, located in South Street, Seaport, New York City. I'm here at the Break the Ice event to showcase the grand opening of the WinterLand ice skating rink. They have food, drinks, and even brought in some special guests.
Preach on a Sunday, rap on a Monday. Y'all doing wrong, saying to get better one day. Just because Rap Rod rocks a collar, don't mean I can't make a dollar. Your ruck is holler. Here we go. It's the original. King of rock, y'all. Somebody make some noise. Here we go.
This here is the atrium where they have performances by Rev Run and DJ Ruckus. This is where they'll host any special events, serve food, and some drinks. After a while of enjoying a few cocktails, jamming to some old school tracks, my friends and I were ready to test out the skating rink.
We ready to skate? Woo! Alan! Oh shit!
So after a good amount of slip and falls, we took off our skates, headed back inside the atrium, and just took a load off, and had a few laughs. We rehydrated and enjoyed some snacks that are brought to you by 10 Corso Como Cafe. Try saying that 5 times. The snacks were all the way from Milano, Italy, and you can check out all their stuff on their Instagram at 10 Corso Como Cafe. I just want to say thank you to Pier 17 for inviting me to the Break the Ice event. I recommend everyone go check it out. It's great for friends and family. WinterLand is the only rooftop ice skating rink in New York City, which allows you to skate behind the skylines of New York City. So definitely stop by WinterLand and Pier 17 at South Street Seaport. It's only open until March. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that bell to get notified when more future videos are posted. And leave a comment down below. Let us know where you want us to explore next. Thanks again everyone for watching, and hope everyone has a great 2019. Peace.